And the best cooking oil over high heat is... Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Guthrow from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, on today's episode, I'm sharing the best cooking oil for high heat. So I'm also going to be comparing the health benefits of avocado oil versus olive oil versus coconut oil versus canola oil. So the reason for this is back in 2012, I posted an episode on the best cooking oil where I compared all of these oils except for one of them. So although my stance on olive oil and canola oil remains the same, in this older video I did mention that coconut oil was the best cooking oil since it could handle higher heat due to its saturated fat content. Well, another cooking oil has emerged onto the market as the best cooking oil for high heat due to its high smoke properties. So if you're wondering what is the smoke point of oils, well, a cooking oil with a high smoke point means the health benefits of the oil won't get damaged when it's cooked using a higher temperature. Now, heating an oil to its smoke point should be avoided as it can produce harmful free radicals. Now, a lot of the cooking oil labels now include the oil's smoke point, so be sure to check those out. So one of the highest smoke points that I've seen for cooking oil is from avocado oil, and it's at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is why it's important to use a healthy cooking oil for high heat, like avocado oil, as this oxidation isn't as much of a concern. Meaning you'd have to heat the avocado oil to over 500 degrees Fahrenheit for it to smoke and become damaged. So this is why we use avocado oil to cook our eggs, to grill our chicken, to bake our homemade French fries, and saute and stir fry our vegetables. And from a taste standpoint, avocado oil doesn't have a strong flavor, so it won't add unnecessary flavor to your meals. Plus, avocado oil is not just great for high heat cooking. Since it comes from avocados, avocado oil is also high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. And avocado oil also contains high levels of the healthy antioxidants, including polyphenols, which help fight inflammation. So it's also great to add to your salad dressings, as avocado oil can help increase the absorption of the antioxidants and the vitamins and the minerals from the fruits and the vegetables within your salad. So we always say, always add a fat source like an avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil to your salad dressings and your salsas. So based on the high smoke point, the heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, and the antioxidants, avocado oil is the best cooking oil for high heat. But stay tuned, because let's talk about, is extra virgin olive oil healthy? Extra virgin olive oil is also a great source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. However, due to its lower smoke point of approximately 320 degrees Fahrenheit, we use extra virgin olive oil primarily on our salad dressings, our dips, and our sauces. So a low smoke point means you're at a higher risk for damaging the health benefits when using it for cooking. So cooking olive oil over higher heat can turn it rancid, potentially oxidizing the oil and increasing the toxic free radical production in your body. This is why we love adding extra virgin olive oil to our salad dressings. Essentially anything that requires oil without heat, extra virgin olive oil is your best oil. All right, let's move on to coconut oil. So since coconut oil has a smoke point of about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, it's a decent mid-temperature cooking oil. And this is why we primarily use coconut oil in my coconut oil coffee, sometimes in baking or as a spread, and just simply eating a spoonful for a quick shot of healthy fat. And if you want to learn more about the benefits of coconut oil, I included it as one of my Live Lean Fitness Superfoods. You can go watch that video right here. And when it comes to the taste, choose refined if you don't like the taste of coconut, and if you do like the taste, go with unrefined, as it will have a slight taste of coconut. And yes, coconut oils is high in saturated fat, but it's the year 2018, people, and we've learned that saturated fats are not evil as they were once falsely portrayed. Also, the saturated fats are in the form of medium chain triglycerides, MCTs, and this is a great thing because MCT fat is burned for energy rather than being stored as body fat. And lastly, coconut oil is also high in lauric acid, which helps increase immune function. All right, let's get into the last cooking oil, canola oil. Let's talk about the truth about canola oil. So if you cook with canola oil because the food marketers tell you it's a great source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, prepare to be shocked. Canola oil is not as healthy as you think. Sure, canola oil is comprised of 65% healthy monounsaturated fats. However, the remaining 35% is comprised of polyunsaturated fat. And this is a problem because most canola oil is refined, it's bleached and extracted using high heat pressure and chemical solvents. So contrast that with extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil, which is cold pressed. This means the processing doesn't use heat and chemical solvents to extract the oil. And this is important because polyunsaturated fat in vegetable oils like canola oil, corn oil, and soybean oil becomes very unstable and oxidizes during this high heat extracting process. As mentioned, this oxidation causes an increase in the free radical production and inflammation in the body. And it's well known that inflammation can contribute to diseases, including heart disease and fat gain. So if you must use canola oil, ensure you look for canola oil that is cold pressed and organic. So here's the bottom line, guys. Avocado oil is the best cooking oil for high heat. Use extra virgin olive oil at room temperature by adding it to your salads, your dips, and your sauces. Enjoy coconut oil in your coffee and as a spread on your favorite food, but canola oil is out. And if you're wondering about butter, guys, always go with grass-fed butter as it's a better omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acid ratio, and it's also high in CLA, which is a healthy fat-burning and muscle-building fat. And another oil I often get asked about is Udo's Choice Oil Blend. So this is an oil blend that is cold pressed and contains a healthy blend of oils that can be used in salad dressings. Just do not use Udo oils for cooking, as the polyunsaturated fat content means that the heat can destroy the health benefits and increase the inflammatory properties. And there are also many other forms of cooking oils, but I prefer to stick to these healthy cooking oils that I talked in this video while avoiding vegetable oils like soybean oil and canola oil. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode on the best cooking oil for high heat. If you did, please click the like button down below and click the subscribe button with notifications turned on. And last thing, if you're watching this video in the next 24 hours, we're hosting a Thanksgiving flash sale where you can get $100 off our best-selling Live Lean Way nutrition video course. So guys, this huge sale ends Thursday, November 22nd, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern, so go take advantage of it now. I'll put a clickable link and discount code in the video description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and keep living lean.
1, 2